to the channel. Now I'm so excited. Okay, don't think I look like a little boy. I just got my hair in a bun back here. But as you can see from the title, I'm gonna go hiking with my friend. Well, is it hiking or is it just walking? I don't know, but it say it's supposed to be a waterfall or whatever. But I'm actually running late, so I need to hurry up and get in the car. But I'm about to go hiking and I'm so excited. That sounds very... Okay, well, yeah, I'll catch y'all in the car when I'm on the way. Okay. Woo! Doing too much at one time, y'all. Let me make sure this turned down. Okay, so I just went and got gas. I went and got some water. And I'm on the way to pick my friend up. Honestly, it's only because when I was searching it, like yesterday, I guess it was during like traffic hours and stuff, it was saying 2 hours. But right now, it's saying 1 hour and 39 minutes. That ain't bad at all. Oh. So, oh shoot. So, it ain't gonna be too bad of a drive at all. It's probably gonna be 2 hours when we going back home. My other phone's stuck. Oh no. Oh, it hurts so bad. Oh, you know how something don't be real until you look at it. Oh, stop, cause that just about made me cry. I gotta breathe through it. Where am I going? What was I talking about? Anyways, I'm picking up my friend. Finna go hiking. Yes. Okay, here's the phone. Goodness. Oh, now I'm bleeding. That's one thing I didn't pack. See, I packed everything except like a little kit, like a little first aid kit or something. Oh, you know I got to have the shades, honey. Ooh, we gonna have to throw these on. We gotta hit the signature. Hey! I need to clean these out. I got a what's the name in my bag. Oh my God, I'm bleeding. Why didn't I bring a Band-Aid? Let me tell her to bring me a Band-Aid if she got one. But yeah. This is gonna be the fence. Oh my God, this is so cute. I'm so excited. Okay, bye.
Packages.
Look who I got. Oh, I need to drink this.
What is that?
The rest of my Alani.
What is that?
That energy drink.
It's only one bathroom at the entrance. This is not even the pretty parts here.
It's not, because we done missed the part that I see. That's so pretty! Or what did it say? Expect delays to Tennessee. People come this way to do. People come this way. Wait.
Figure it out. Sound it out. It's okay.
Bridge. Look, can y'all see this little bridge? Wait, make sure don't bike come.
Oh, get in your lane.
Oh my gosh. Look at this little mountain. Hello. Well, oh my God.
Well, wait, we don't know where we're going.
Oh shoot. Put your sit back.
Oh,
Where you go?
right there.
He's so fat. He's so cute. We made it to the trail. We made it to the trail. This is a bunch of rocks. I'm already breathing heavy already. But I'm excited. And how long is this gonna take?
2 hours.
to get to paradise. Okay,
2 hours.
2 hours.
No. Yeah, probably like hour and a half, 2 hours.
We claiming an hour.
Yeah, right.
Cause, whew, I don't know. But yeah, I'll just check back in later. A minute. Let me see this. Yo, I'm tired. Hold up. Woo. Lose balance. It's that uphill battle Miley Cyrus talk about. Like, how long has this stuff been here?
Hundreds of years, probably.
This is so neat.
Oh, you got a top off.
Huh?
You got a top off.
Oh my God.
You want me to record you crossing the rock?
No. Yeah. Tell my friend I love you. She's right over there. What is happening? I have no balance. How did you get over there? Like that. Girl, you scared me. Oh, I kind of want to put my feet on the... Oh my God. I didn't even notice that. Taking a pit stop. Got a little fan. She ain't tired, dog. Look at. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at it. If I drop this phone, it's over. Oh my God. Oh my God, there's two. Now we're just parked.
That is crazy.
Oh my god.
That is so cute. That means something you beat this time.
I hope nobody okay. I keep thinking it's my drunk and it's not. We're back in the car. The hiking was semi-successful.
It was successful. For me.
No, for me, not for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cause she wouldn't go to the top and go all around the whole world, and I be out of breath. I be tired.
I think you could have made it.
My legs wouldn't let me.
You could have made it.
My legs, it feel like my hips spreading.
I still don't understand what that means.
It feels like the side of your hips is just like, forget it, never mind, I don't know. And my legs feel like noodles. That was a good little hike. I put non-aluminum deodorant on today. I don't know if I mentioned that. And, my pits starting to be a little funky. We had to re-up. But she all right. We made, let me see. Hold on. Oh, yeah, I'm good. Wait, I can't tell. Yeah, I think I'm good. So you just got re-up one time. Can you smell it?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we good. Yeah, that's that Lumi. I would come back. I need to practice my cardio and
I will come back.
do some more.
That was fun.
I need to be on the Stairmaster at this point, because them stairs, no ma'am.
I like that a lot. Now I need grease.
Huh?
I need grease
Greece?
to eat greasy food.
Oh, girl, I thought you were talking about like going to Greece.
No.
What
kind of money I got?
I didn't say nothing. Okay, let's go get your peanuts. She got peanuts, y'all. Peanuts on the side of the road.
Old Bay.
Oh, that smells good. I
ain't never had Old Bay peanuts.
But I never had a
boiled peanuts?
Yeah.
That's sad. Classic. You don't want to see them? That's crazy.
Oh.
No, I don't
The
care
people,
no more.
not me.
They look the same, low key, but
Them smell good. Ooh, that smell like a seafood boy. That. Let me. We did all that walking and then we at Coastal's. Ciao.
what's the worst one?
Look at my feet.
I don't want no grease.
This nigga tastes so good.
Asian food.
Wow. This is amazing.
Do you want sushi?
Can we Hey y'all, hey. So I'm back home. Y'all, I had such a great day. I'm not gonna lie. I'm drained and I'm tired right now. Y'all, I'm so pooped. It don't make no sense. Oh my God. And my head is hurting. Like, all I want to do is go take the shower and get into bed. I went and got Kava. She got Chick-fil-A. I dropped her off. And now I'm home. But I had such a great time, y'all. That trail whooped my tail. Because where we stopped on them stairs, it's like you were supposed to go up some more stairs, just a little bit more. And I think you maybe go up just a little bit more. And then it probably would have been downhill. But my legs literally could not do it. I was done. So we had to come back down. I couldn't do it. But I had such a great time. And then we was coming down like y'all seen, we was at the like in the water, and that water was so icy cold. Like, oh my god, that's what made me just want to go to the pool. But my other friend is at the pool right now, and I want to go to the pool, but I'm so tired. I am so tired. But I really want to go to the pool, but then my school just started, so probably not a good idea. But it look like I got darker too. But oh my gosh, I don't know, my brain is all over the place. All I can think about is laying in this bed and finding me a good show to watch and eating my kava, for real. If I didn't have a headache, maybe I would feel better, but I think this heat like messing with my head, the heat and AC or whatever. But I hope you guys enjoyed the views. I hope you enjoyed taking my first hike with me. It was fun. I enjoyed it. I give it the challenging. I give it a 8. A good 8. Fun experience, 10 out of 10. Yes, it was a great experience. It was a great drive. But yes, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.